Hi, it's us again.
Hi. So now we're doing from lesson 3, part 2, question number 3, which is differentiate between and convergent characters, reversals, and homoplasies. So the first one, homologous character, it's similar derived characteristics in the same lineage. So they have a common ancestor, and you can directly trace them down from that, and it'll have the same characteristic all throughout that lineage.
And then convergent characteristics are when you have a similar derived trait, but it's in two different lineages. So you have a line going, and then you have a common ancestor, and it breaks off and it keeps going, and each of those lineages from that common ancestor point have that similar characteristic.
Mm-hmm. So the next section we're going to talk about are reversals, and that's when a species will have a characteristic where there's basically a space in between. So you have the common ancestor will have the trait, and then based on just environmental changes or just genetics in general, there'll be a space from one species to the next where it doesn't have that common characteristic, and then it'll regain that lost trait later on, and so it kind of goes back towards that ancestral trait.
Okay.
Yep.
And then so for homoplasies, you have a similar trait, but they do not have a common ancestor. So for example, a bat has wings, but it's derived through a completely different wing set than a bird. And so they have similar things, but they do not have a common ancestor. It's not linked in any way, shape, or form. They just developed it by themselves.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. So that is question number 3.